Imagine scrolling through the job listings and finding out that there are not just one, not 10, but hundreds of job postings calling out this particular skill which you possess. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2024, this is a reality for the people possessing this particular skill. But is it the most in demand job of the year? Let's dive in and find out. Before I reveal to you the exact job I am talking about, let's take a step back and look at the current job market. Many of you are already aware about the scene. Endless application, fierce competition, and a constant pressure to upskill yourself to stay relevant. You might be feeling stuck in your current role, and as you watch AI and automation threaten the job security. Sounds familiar? But what if I told you there is a field which is not just surviving but thriving? Enter Oracle Functional Consultant. In 2024, as businesses rapidly digitize their operation, there is an unprecedented demand for Oracle consultants and experts in the market who can implement, optimize, and customize Oracle ERPs. This is not just about the technical skills, but being a bridge between the business requirements and the technical solutions. If you know anyone who has experience with these systems like Oracle or SAP, they would tell you that these systems are notoriously slow and are full of issues. And why is that? Because there are simply not enough consultants in the market who can run these systems and customize these systems. So in this video, today we'll be covering all the trends of this career path and also the skills required and the endless opportunities which this career path offers. And by the end of the video, you might just be tempted to make a career switch. Now, before you start updating your resumes, let's address the elephant in the room. It isn't easy being an Oracle consultant. So let's see what are the challenges that you might face in becoming an Oracle consultant. The first challenge is the steep learning curve. Now, Oracle's ecosystem is quite vast and complex. So you will have to learn multiple modules and multiple technologies to get a hang of it. Also, you need to understand many business processes across industries. So what you can do is you can start with simpler modules like Oracle Payables or Procurements, and then you can constantly update your knowledge base as you grow. Second is the constant updates. Oracle very frequently releases updates and new features for their existing applications. So you need to allocate few hours every month to study those updates so that you are updated and are able to implement those solutions. Third is keeping a balance of Oracle and functional knowledge. Few people get very influenced by the technical things that they study and do not try to understand the problems from the business perspective. So you need to get into the shoes of the business and then try to design the solutions. So that will allow you to design better and solutions which solve real problems. Third is balancing technical and functional knowledge. Few consultants, they get heavily influenced with the technical know-how and they do not focus on the business aspect of it. So you need to always show empathy and you need to get into the shoes of the business to identify the problems and then try to give a solution, so that will result in a perfect solution for the problem that they are facing. Fourth is the certification marathon. Now Oracle offers tons of certificates and often clients expect the consultants to be certified. So what you can do is you can start with foundational certificates first and then you can keep on updating yourself every year. Fifth is the soft skill development. Consulting isn't about the technical know-how only. It's also about how you solve problems and how you talk to your clients. So you need to practice how you can explain technical terms in simple language to the clients and how you can show empathy while interacting with them. Sixth is the work-life balance. Consulting often involves traveling and long working hours, especially during the critical phases of the project. So you need to learn how you can set boundaries while working in teams, and also you need to learn time management techniques to manage your time better and improve your efficiency. Remember, these challenges are also opportunities. As you overcome each one, you become more valuable in the job market. Now let's talk about why, despite these challenges, Oracle Functional Consulting can be the best move you make in your career in 2024. We have already mentioned that there is an unprecedented demand for Oracle consultants in the market. As more and more companies move to Oracle cloud system from Oracle on-prem systems, more and more consultants would be required. There are many consulting firms which are failing to fill the open positions for these consultants. Next is the lucrative compensation offered by these companies. In the global market, an entry-level Oracle consultants might earn from $80,000 to $100,000, and which can go as high as $200,000 as you gain experience. This role guarantees job security because as long as these firms exist, these systems will also exist, because these systems are critical for the businesses to run their operations. Another opportunity here is the career growth. As you grow in the organization, you will be promoted from a consultant to senior consultant, and eventually you can become an architect, and eventually you can even become a partner in the firm if it's a partner firm, or you can become an MD if it is a private limited company. Another aspect is the intellectual stimulation. Each project will give you a different kind of a problem to solve, and also you will be at the forefront of the technology and business innovation. Oracle is used worldwide in multiple countries, opening doors to international career options, and also there would be certain projects where you will be required to travel to on-site to different countries, so that's another bonus. Then there is work flexibility. In the post-COVID era, I've seen that almost 80 to 90% of the consultants are working from home, and only when there are certain meetings they have to go to the client's office to meet them. Another aspect is the transferable skill, because you are working with so many different clients and you are learning their processes. So it will enable you to make a career switch if you want to get into a different field, because you will already have knowledge about that. And obviously you will have networking opportunities because you will be working with so many people throughout your career. So if you start a business, you will always have connections and people whom you can connect and which can help you grow. So is Oracle Functional Consulting the most in demand job of 2024? It's difficult to crown a single job opportunity, but Oracle makes a strong case for itself with the lucrative compensation, growth opportunities, and the high demand in the market. There you have it, an insider look at why the Oracle Consulting is the most lucrative job of 2024. The challenges are real, but so are the rewards. If you are excited about the possibilities we discussed in the today's video, then you are in the right place, because in coming videos I'll be releasing a series of videos to help you break into the field of Oracle Consulting, where I'll be covering tips on getting certified, how to build your skill set, and how to land your first consulting job. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also please share this video with the other aspiring Oracle professionals so they can get help as well.